do you think? What do you think? You don't like it?
I think she likes it. I think she's just tired.
Who's that baby? Well, sorry, Daddy, you didn't get the reaction you wanted.
That's okay. I think it's kind of more funny that she likes it. Okay, here comes some more.
Oh, honey. Apple?
This point is mine.